Jottacloud pricing explained what you get for your money. Jottacloud is a secure cloud storage service, but most people get this wrong. They assume all cloud storage works the same. The surprising truth is that Jottacloud pricing varies based on personal versus business use and the amount of storage you need. For personal users, unlimited storage plans start at around per month, offering automatic backups for all devices and end-to-end encryption. You won't believe how useful the mobile and desktop apps are. They make syncing photos, videos, and documents seamless. Business plans are tiered by storage volume and number of users, starting at about per user per month for 100 GB, with advanced admin tools and data protection features. Most people get this wrong by comparing prices without considering security and backup features. Jottacloud also offers optional services like file versioning and external sharing, which can influence value, but are included in higher tier plans. In conclusion, Jottacloud pricing is simple yet scalable. By understanding storage limits, personal versus business plans, and additional features, you go from zero to pro in choosing the plan that fits your data needs and protects your valuable files.